This is the first thing that you need to do before disassembling a personal computer.
First, we need to touch the cover for 5 seconds and then remove the side cover of the system unit. Next, we need to remove the optical disk drive. Then we need to remove the power supply and disconnect the connectors. Now we will remove the hard disk drive. Then we will unscrew all the screws in motherboard. Now we are going to remove the motherboard.
After that, we are going to assemble them.
We are going to put back the motherboard in the system unit case carefully. In this part, we need to connect the header to the motherboard for front USB port and LED light indicators. Next, we screwed back the motherboard again. We will install the hard disk drive and the power supply. Then we are going to connect the internal cables. Next is install the optical disk drive. Lastly, put back the system's case.